How's it going there, guys? This is my 1996 Ford F-150. The guys that have been here for a while know this truck in and out, but for anyone who's new, there's a 460 big block sitting underneath the hood, and it looks like a 1985 Ford F-150. It also has a long bed to short bed conversion on it, and we are soon going to be doing a Crown Victoria front end swap, so stay tuned for that. But today, we're going to be doing a cold start on this. It hasn't ran in quite a while, so we're going to pop a new battery in it, or we're going to pop the old battery in it. Let's get real. And then we're going to basically hop in it, pump the pedal a few times, and it should fire up. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. Pop a brand new battery in it. Actually, the battery's fairly new. I bought this battery Optima Red Top. Basically run these in all my trucks. All my important cars there. Because Optima's just, never let me down just yet. We're just going to gently rat-a-tat-tat that on there. And we should be good to go. Now, it's pretty cold there, fellers. Right now, we're just kicking the end of March, basically end the butt there. It is still pretty cold here on the east coast of Canada. Usually somewhere between -5, -10 degrees Celsius. I'll put what it is up in Fahrenheit. It's enough that the snow's not quite gone yet, Well, anyway, this truck's been sitting for a couple weeks there. We should just be able to fire it right up, I'm hoping. So we're going to turn the key there. Listen to the big old fuel pump turn on. Let's give the accelerator pump a few tries. It's in neutral, thankfully. And yeah, here we go. Let's fire it right up. Might not stay. It might need to run a little bit. Oh, a little bit too ambitious. Starting to warm up pretty good now. Got a little bit of pressure. Starting to get warm on the hand. That's thick. Oh, that's a lot of exhaust that, has been stagnant for quite a little bit. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got some big things coming for this F-150. I only take it out in the summertime in the good months around here, so that's about half the year. The rest of the time it, hangs out in the barn. But it will definitely be out, and we'll have some road content very, very soon. There's a couple things I want to get done to it before we take it out, and I'll make sure I cover that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video very, very soon. All right, see ya.